Computer science is a unique field to study because it involves the use of technology and computers to solve some of the world's biggest problems.
You can expect to learn about coding for one, but also things that'll help you in a working environment with teamwork, leadership, and essential skills that'll help you later in life.
Catawba has impacted my future career goals tremendously. I've been very interested in game development, and when I came to Catawba, I didn't really think about my other options. My professors introduced me to other career fields that could use my education towards that will be very helpful and I would love.
Students that are interested in majoring in a technology discipline can choose between computer science, information systems and technology, and an information systems concentration under the business school. The computer science program combines math, algorithmic study, programming languages, software, databases. It's a little bit more difficult degree, and it really trains students for learning new ways to apply computers and technology to solving problems. Almost every class is taught in a lab, and rather than students hearing lecture, they're actually doing.
It's a smaller school, which means you can have more one-on-one time with the teachers, and you just build better relationships, and they know you and your learning style a lot better.
The personal feel and the closeness that Catawba outputted into the world made it feel so at home and lively and welcoming to come to, and it felt like it was the right decision to come here.
Come study computer science at Catawba College with us and change the world with technology.